am Mrs. David Pettifoot. When I became the queen, I felt so happy and so excited. I was so overwhelmed because I cannot explain really the feeling I have on that night. Passing around in the midst of many people looking at me, watching every step I make. Being the queen is so great and unforgettable experience I have in my life. And now, I thank for all the people who extend their helping hands to me. This moment in time, I congratulate the new queen to whom I will pass my crown. Thank you.